I woke up in the suburbs of Cancun, Mexico, and my backpack was packed again with just 20 pounds of my belongings. Right, hello, let's go again. My bag is packed and it's time to head to the airport here in Cancun. It's 8 in the morning and I'm gonna go fly to Huatulco today. I was on my way to the domestic airport terminal in Cancun and I was ready to go. I just got dropped off here at the airport and the Terminal 2, it's the domestic terminal here in Cancun. And I have a flight first to Mexico City and then from there to Huatulco in the state of Oaxaca. I've been here in Cancun for a while and had a really great time. But it's time to go with all my belongings that I have in this bag. My absolute best travel trick is that I always bring on my bag as hand luggage and I never check a bag, so I don't need to pay anything or risk losing it. Everyone had to stand in a line and fill in some COVID papers. Now I'm here in the airport in Cancun, waiting for my flight. Not that many people in there actually. Everybody is wearing a mask, of course. Now I'm walking down the aisle into the plane. It's such a great feeling when you get on an airplane and you know there is something new and unknown waiting for you, especially when it's a one-way ticket.
Será de 2 horas. Volaris es la primera aerolínea en México.
My plan this time was to go to the southwest part of Mexico, in the state of Oaxaca and the town of Huatulco. I wanted to start out there and hopefully work my way up along the coast. But first a layover in Mexico City in the middle of the country. I'm in the toilet now and look at this sign. It says no smoking up there and then no smoking down here. I was coming in over Mexico City with a population of almost 9 million people. I am in Mexico City. Hello, hello. It's so expensive with food in the airports, so I brought my delicious chicken pasta. Nom, 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 nom. I saw a lot of people trying to disinfect seats, and it's something you would almost see in a movie. There's not all that many people in here actually in the airport. It's really kind of empty. I was expecting it to be more people, but considering the situation of the virus, I'm sure that's the reason why there is not so many people. Sometimes when I keep traveling around, I think to myself, what am I doing with my life? But I love it because it feels like time slows down, especially when you go to many places in a short amount of time. I had paid $80 for 2 flights, one from Cancun to Mexico City and the next one to Huatulco.
Adelante.
It's time to go to Huatulco. Huatulco tricks. I was about to come into the southwest part of Mexico by the Pacific Ocean, and it's not far from the country of Guatemala and Belize. I came out to an incredible day and also discovered that there is no hurricane season in this part of Mexico. Hello everybody, I'm finally here. I just got out of the flight and I'm here in Huatulco in the southwest side of Mexico. And I'm gonna try to find a taxi or maybe a bus to take the bus into the city. I think it's about 20 kilometers almost, so about 10-12 miles. I had paid 160 pesos for a 15 minutes taxi ride, which is about $8, and we were going through the really incredible mountains of Huatulco that you will see more of in the next video. Hello, I'm here now at this hotel. My luxury days from Cancun are over, unfortunately. It seemed to be a really cool town, and I had now made it to the hotel where I would be staying. I had paid $50 for 3 days, so almost $17 per night. Now I'm here in the next hotel in Huatulco, not as glamorous as you probably have seen when I was in Cancun, when I was staying in these really amazing places. But now, hopefully, we'll be able to travel around for a while. I paid, how much did I pay? $50 for 3 nights here. Well, we need to get rich so we can stay in luxury places all the time for the rest of our life. So I'm gonna stay here for 3 days and then I'm gonna meet somebody here and we're gonna stay in some other places. Very nice. And it's close to the beach, actually. It takes like 10 minutes to walk to the beach.
We're doing some bed tricks now and we will be doing some toe tricks after. I think this is the best bed I've ever jumped in. It's so good.
I don't know if I'm gonna be able to sleep tonight if I don't perform some pool tricks today. I have the pool trick urge to perform some pool tricks. Pool tricks in privacy. Pool tricks. It's dark already. We're gonna go out on the street now.
Agencia Municipal de Santa Cruz, Huatulco, en coordinación con profesionales ópticos, te invitan a la
I'm here at this restaurant and I ordered some kind of fish fillet and I got a bunch of chips and sauce, 150 pesos, $7. The meal was not that cheap for Mexico, but tomorrow we'll find some better places. The fish looks really good there. Very beautiful fish. Bon appetit, everybody. A lot of things are open here, like almost all the stores are open, but there are almost no people. I'm just gonna go back home actually and show you what this place looks like tomorrow. Tomorrow would be a better day. I'm gonna show you with my drone and everything else. I came back in and I feel so incredible actually after the dinner. It was so good, so much fish and lime and chips. I was eating so much chips. Really good. It's really nice to be here, but sometimes I wonder why I travel around so much. Just go everywhere. It's nice actually, always something new happening. Now come along with me and I ease your pain. Please leave this video a thumbs up, post a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in the next video, it's gonna be a really good one. Thank you once again. See you next time. Please also, when you subscribe to my YouTube channel, click the bell next to the subscribe button so you get notified every time I upload something.